So since this is Halloween makeup, I'm not really gonna be super technical with things, and I'm kind of just gonna throw it all on my face, honestly. I don't feel like I really need to make this perfect, so I've already put foundation on, and I'm gonna do some concealer a little bit on my forehead and blend that out with my same foundation brush. Now I'm going to use one of my favorite contour sticks. So I'm just using a dense brush to blend out that contour, and yeah, that's just what I'm going to be doing for the next like 2 minutes. Okay, now I have my contour on, and I'm going to lighten my nose a little bit and on the sides too. Like, you can obviously tell it does not look perfect, but that's okay because this is just supposed to be fun. This nose contour, I actually widened my nose a little bit so that it looks a little bit more leopard-y. Sorry about that. Now I'm gonna go in and just set everything. So I'm going to use one of my favorite blushes from MAC. This is the Harmony blush. If you don't really want something that is super pink, then this is so perfect. So I'm going to go over that contour color that I used just with this Harmony MAC blush, and it just adds a really nice finish to everything. I just love highlighter so freaking much, so I'm going to use the Benefit. This is the cookie highlighter, and boy is it freaking bright. I'm gonna do my leopard nose, and I'm gonna use my favorite. This is the L'Oreal 24-hour lacquer liner, and it's the pot. It is so freaking good. I even left it open one night and it didn't dry out, which is shocking. So I basically drew a circle around my nose. Does that make sense? And then I stopped it kind of halfway from where that line is, if you can see. So now I'm just gonna fill all of that in. Oh my gosh, that is funny. So for my spots, I'll tell you what product I'm using, and then I'll fast forward through it. So I'm using the Infallible L'Oreal. This is the paints, Infallible paints, and it has a light side and a dark side. So I'll show the first one. I'm just gonna literally start doing different shaped dots and then do a thin line of the dark side, just like this, and do just a little like C shape around that lighter circle that I did. And I'm gonna do it all around my face, and then after that I will add details. I just did some different shaped dots, like different size dots, and did a little C shape around, and that was pretty much it. And you can see it already, like, you can tell I'm a leopard, right? So I'm gonna take a little bit of brown eyeliner and kind of outline a few of the circles that I feel like could use a little bit more color. So now I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna use my Benefit Cookie highlighter again and add a little bit of that highlighter near the dark C shape that I did. And this is just to highlight these fun dots I have on my face. Now that my spots are done and looking so fierce, I'm going to start on my eye. So honestly, this was so easy. I just threw colors together super quick. So I'm gonna use one of my favorite quads. So this is a custom eyeshadow quad that I created, and I'm going to use soft brown, that's this color right here, with just a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I am going to carve out my crease. I'm going to take the lighter of those light browns and just highlight a little bit of that dark brown that I did. Oh, this brush is shedding like crazy. I have that dark brown on, and I'm trying to remember exactly how I did this. So I know I took this side of this brush, and I'm using my Soft Glam Anastasia palette. I'm going to pat this on to my crease and darken that up just a little bit. I believe I just did it the opposite way of what I actually did, but that's okay. So I'm going to use the L'Oreal, the same stick that I used to do my dots, and I'm going to use the lighter side of this and put it all over my lid to prep for the glitter that I'm going to put on. For my glitter, I'm going to use the Pixie by Petra, and this is the shade Bare Brilliance. And I honestly am just going to brush that all along where I put the lighter brown color. Okay, now I'm still gonna let that dry. I look like I have something in my eye. I'm still gonna let this dry for a little bit longer, but to really carve out this dark black color, I want to use a smaller brush. So this is the one I've actually been using for the highlight. I just put black eyeshadow on the end of it, and I'm really going to carve out this crease. Yes, that's what I did. Okay. They don't have to be perfect, so I'm gonna just let that go. Now I'm gonna do my winged liner like I did on this side. And I'm going to be using my same paint pot that I love. And I'll start with the actual wing. And if you want an in-depth wing tutorial, I also have that on my YouTube channel. So once you're done with this one, go take a look at that one. So I just created the wing, and then I'll connect it just like that, and then I'll fill it in. I have a pencil eyeliner that I'm going to use in my waterline to darken that up. So I'm going to take this white and put it underneath my eye and just follow the outline, and then I'm going to pull it down into a little bit of a U. I'm going to take a little tiny circular brush and add some of the tempera color from my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and just kind of diffuse that a little bit because I feel like it's like a little too obnoxious. I'm going to take the same brush that I did for my crease, and with the same black color I'm going to connect it from where I did my eyeliner and basically just draw an outline for that white color. Now I have that line, and I'm going to diffuse it with some brown eyeshadow from my little MAC palette, this one, and just mix these two light and dark eyeshadow colors and blend underneath the dark. This look is almost done. I'm just getting my lashes to dry and let the glue get a little tacky. So I'm going to use the olive lashes from my line, and you can order these at shopbelash.com. So I am going to do my lips now, and I'm going to use my black eyeliner that I used on my eyes and line the top lip and just outline the bottom lip, and then I'll fill it in with some glitter maybe. I don't know. I was thinking about doing glitter, and I'm going to do the glitter because why not? So I'm just going to add this glitter like lip gloss. And to finish off this look, I'm going to do mascara on my bottom lashes, since I did get some of that white color all over them. I love this look. I so hope you did too. And if you're struggling with a Halloween costume, try this out. How fun! We could be twins! Happy Halloween. Please be safe. Please don't steal children's candy because that is so rude. And go get your own, okay? Have a good Halloween. Be safe.